Hey YouTube, what's going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Epson XP-446. Basically, if you're having any issues with your print quality, a certain color just isn't printing, or an overall print quality issue, I'm going to show you how to save your printer, save hundreds of dollars, and how to make sure that that does not happen again. There are going to be some links in the description below that I am going to mention, one of them being my cleaning kit that I have here, which is absolutely vital to you fixing your machine, along with some other things, some printer ink, and a link to this printer as well. So stay through the whole video. At any time, if you need to pause the video to purchase one of these items, go ahead and do so. It'll just take you to another page. You can purchase what you need, come back and watch the rest of the video for instructional purposes. So I really hope all those resources that I put down there are helpful in you fixing your printer. Let's go ahead and get right into the video so I can show you how to use this cleaning kit. Also, if you haven't already gone down there in the description below, there's going to be a website, which is my website, bestprinterstech.com. There's a review on this printer. There's the cleaning kit, a variety of printers, so if you wanted to go down there as well. Again, a lot of resources down in the description below. The method that I'm about to show you works 95% of the cases, unless your printer has a completely different problem. Make sure to stick around until the end, and I hope this is helpful. Let's get right into the video. So the first thing you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to go into your settings. First thing you're going to do, you're going to go into your settings, and you're going to go into your setup. After that, you're going to click on maintenance, ink cartridge replacement, and you're going to click start. Right after that, you're going to go ahead and lift the top of the printer, and the print head should come right to the middle here. So once it's in the middle here, you can go ahead and take out your ink cartridges. Now, really quickly, the main cause of this issue with your printing is going to be running your ink too low. So if you check your ink and any of them are low, especially if it's the one that's giving you issues, and the way that you find out which color is giving you issues is you go to the settings again and you print a report, a nozzle check, and so you can make sure which color has the issue. But I'm going to leave a link right now in the description below for some brand new 288i ink, color and black. I highly recommend that you get that quickly. If you haven't already signed up for Prime, what are you waiting for? You get 30 days for free. That's also something that's down there, so a lot for you to do once you're done or in between watching the video, so that you make sure you never have that issue again. Always check up on your ink. Alright, so once you're done with that, what you're going to do is you're going to get paper towel, and you're going to fold it up really skinny like that, so you can go ahead and put it under the print head. At this point, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to hold the print head in place, and you're going to shut off the printer. Now gently, don't pull it, or just hold it in place until the printer is completely turned off. Unplug it, and what you can do now is you can move this print head to the side, and you're going to slide this paper towel right under until it's completely over it, just like that. Alright, so next you're going to go ahead and get your Printhead Cleaning Kit. This comes with a 20 milliliter syringe. It's a premium syringe that is going to help you get results on this project. So this is by far the best cleaning kit on the market with the large syringe. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your syringe, you're going to take it and you're going to take the end of it here, and whatever nozzle you're having the most issues with, usually it's magenta, but whatever color you're having the most issues with is the one you're going to start with. And you're going to place this nozzle from the syringe right onto the print head nozzle. And what you're going to do here is you're going to go ahead and push this solution right through. Now if you're having issues at first, another thing you can do, and of course it's in the instructions, is you can warm up the solution. But if it's pushing right through, but you're going to go ahead and just push through the solution, make sure it's snug. Always have always have a towel with you to clean up any mess that is created. But just like that, if you warm it up, it'll go through much smoother. All you need to do is put this bottle right into some hot, it could be close to boiling water, and leave it in there for about 5 minutes until it's heated up, and then draw some fluid from this bottle. So just like that, if you are having issues pushing the solution through after that on a certain color, just keep on pushing gently until it is unclogged, because that's what it is. It is clogged right now. And what you need to do is just push the cleaning solution through until it is unclogged. You can do it to all the colors if you'd like. Mainly focus on the one that you're having issues with. Once you are done, you're going to go ahead and just take this right off. And you can go ahead and move your print head right out of place. And it's going to look something like that. You just take this paper towel, throw it away obviously. Go ahead and clean up any mess that you created with your towel. And you can go ahead and replace these ink cartridges. Alright, you can go ahead and turn it on. And okay, so you can go ahead and turn it on. And what you're going to do is you're going to make sure to print a test page. So you're just going to go to your setup, maintenance, and it's actually called nozzle check. So nozzle check is what you're wanting to click on. So you're going to click yes. Okay, so you would go ahead and print the nozzle report, and just to make sure that the quality is there, and then you can proceed to print out whatever else you were printing. So that's really all there is to it. Now, for whatever reason this does not work for you, I'm going to leave a link in the description below as well for this printer. You can go ahead and purchase a new version of this printer if everything else failed and you had to throw it out. Now, this is something that anyone can do. It's very, very simple to do. And I highly recommend that if you're having this issue, that you do at least attempt to do this if your printer is just not working and there's no chance. You're going to save yourself hundreds of dollars. And again, make sure to go in the description, down in the description below, to buy the Best Printers Cleaning Kit. This is going to be the most effective solution and syringe that's going to help you solve this print head issue. Very, very, very small cost compared to the hundreds of dollars you're going to save yourself with repairing your machine. And of course, you can always go back and use this if you have an issue again. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Also, make sure to like this video. I would greatly appreciate that. And subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.